In the second implementation of this exercise, we establish the format of call and response. As I explained in the text, the call can be played by the teacher while the students provide the background, or some students may provide the background and another group of students play the original motif, they do the call. And again, the call, the original motif, can be played in unison or harmonized. In this case, the call is going to be played by a synthesizer that I have pre-recorded. In some instances, it's played in unison, in single notes, and other times it's harmonized. So as the improviser, I'm making my decisions while the call is being played, and I leave no gap. Call followed by response, call followed by response. The response is the modified version of the motif with the last note changed. This is how it goes. Can be a very fun way to implement this exercise. In a class, we can have each student taking turns to do, say, 2 responses, and then the next player will do 2 other responses, and then the next player 2 other responses. So it can be a very inclusive way to implement the exercise. We must keep in mind that the role of improviser in all the forms of the exercise we have done so far, the role of the improviser has to pass around all the members of the group. Sometimes anything between 2 to 4 tries can be enough. Sometimes players need a little bit more, perhaps 6 or 8 tries. But what is important is that everybody has a go, and that while the players are not being the improvisers, they are still active, either playing a background or the groove or the accompaniment or the original versions doing the calls as we just did.